Welcome to Bender Studio. Today on Producers Academy, we're going to be talking about and looking into how to delete your automation. Just like, I've heard a lot of people saying, oh, you know what, once you automate on your program or your project you're working on, you cannot undo it by running your entire process. And that's if you don't know where and how to look for it. So we're going to be looking at how to look for it because someone actually requested and said, okay, fine, how do I delete any automation I've made? So this is for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go. Probably been working on your project and then you mistakenly make a mess with your automation, how you can undo that particular change. A lot of people were saying, be careful how you handle automation and all that, because once you write it on your project, it might not be easy for you to kind of like undo. Not quite so. There are actually ways where you can use to delete your automation or maybe modify the automation to suit basically anything you want to do. And when you're done, if you like what you've done, you can keep it. If you don't like what you've done, you can delete that automation. That's where we're going right today. I've taken the liberty of loading one of my projects. I think this is lift off, right? Yeah. Yes, I think I did this while I was about taking off. I was at the airport. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So let's even listen to what we have here, and let's see what we can do with it. This is nice. Why haven't I finished this? I should finish it. Let's stop it right there. I think I should finish this. I like what I'm hearing already. And it's been kind of like a couple of weeks back. So anyway, let's forget about that. Right now, we're going to load like an automation. One of the easiest ones to do, which happens to be one of the most powerful, is still your XYFX, right? We'll load it on it and then we'll try to run some one or two automation, and I'll show you where you can find it and modify if you want to, and then delete if you don't like it. So let's go ahead and insert XYFX. Don't forget, if you don't know how to work around the XYFX, how to do this, how you set up the parameters and all that, one of my previous videos, we've already covered how basically to work exclusively with the XYFX. The link will be in the section below. You can take a look at it and then see how you can make use of that particular video and do something with your project. Let's see. Right now, I've loaded it onto the program that I'm working on. Let me just play around with this. Let's play. I need to write. Let's hear that. Let's hear that. Come. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. You hear that? Nice one. Nice. So let's stop it. Now you heard that, right? So let me say, maybe I felt I messed up in the first one. I like the second one. I like the third one. But then if I press undo, it's going to undo everything. And then I lose everything. I kind of like start all over again. How do I manage or modify that? There is a way to handle that. Very simple method of handling it. So how do we do that? We'll go straight into your grid view. In your grid view, currently what you have now is your velocity here, right? The velocity. If I tap here, velocity comes up and I can click on this. A lot of people don't even know that this is clickable. They just feel, oh, it's just the title of that particular bar. No, you can actually change the setting that you have there. So once I click on this to enable it, I use my knob, go to velocity. I can come here. I can add a new a tab on that rack. Because I'm working on the program trap kitten theme, I go to the program and then I can add the insert one XYFX. Then I enable it. Once I enable it, as you can see, this is everything I've done. So let me play it for you again so you see where the playhead, when the playhead gets to where these ones are actually hot, you see what happens there. Monitor it. Check it out. This one just silenced my beat. I like the second one. Then I think I like the third one. Yeah, I like this. So if I want to take this off, all I need to do is select my pencil tool, I can rewrite it. Yeah, I've silenced it just like by doing that, leaving those two. You get. So if I want to play around with anything here, I can still do this. I can play around and put it somewhere else just to listen in and see how basically it will make my beat feel. This one you edit. This one no effects too. No effects too. So that's basically how. You see, I just took that off. You see, I can use my undo now to bring it back. So that's it, as you can see. So here, while I'm even working here, I can use my undo to bring anything I've done back that I do not like or that I like and all that. And once I'm done, if I feel, you know what, I don't like this entire, I don't want it anymore. I want something else. I'm tired of this whole automation I've just done. I need something else. I need to change it up. I can easily use this delete button. Once I click on that delete, it's gone. So all those automation that might have probably seemingly seem as if it can disrupt or destroy my project, gone. I've taken it off and I can go back to my project, play from start, and I'm rest assured that the content now has no automation. Do you get it? So that's basically how it works. It's pretty easy. Once you put your effects on it, you can come to your grid view. Like I said earlier, if you expand this on your velocity, you can add any of the effects or automation you've done. And once you're done with that, you can easily basically just put anything on it and you can modify and you can delete your automation from there. I believe now you get it. You can easily delete your automation. You can find your automation, and that's just basically what we've done. Like what I've shown you, you can go ahead and do that. So you don't have to worry about anything anytime you mistakenly or accidentally, plug in any automation onto your job and then you think, oh, you cannot recall, and because of that, you start your project again. You don't need that, So don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you find it interesting and helpful, and also tell others to come in.